Right, so question 4 is using data for overweight and obese children. And you can see it says for part A, the graph opposite shows a percentage of overweight preschool children from 1989 to 1998. Plot the percentages for the obese preschool children. Okay, so I've popped those on there and I just used the obese column here, and the percentages are the ones in brackets. The ones that aren't in brackets are the numbers. And once you've plotted those on there, being very careful to be as accurate as you possibly can, the next part of the question involves comparing the overweight and the obese data, right? Two comparisons of the percentage graphs for the overweight and obese preschool children. Okay, so two statements that we're going to need here. If we have a look at them, the first is that obviously there are going to be a lot more overweight people than there are obese. So it says here, overweight percentages are more than double or higher than obese percentages. And you can see that quite clearly from the data and from the fact that the graph for the overweight is so much higher. Now, the other main trend is, of course, looking at what happens over time. Obesity is increasing, but not very rapidly, whereas the number of overweight people is going up very steeply. So that can be our second comment, that overweight percentages are increasing more rapidly than the obese percentages.